Good evening, everybody. I'm Fictional Crystals, and this is my theory on how the Cloud and Sky Arena are the same place. That was the biggest fail of an intro I've ever done. Let's try that again. Good evening, everybody. I'm Fictional Crystals, and this is my theory on how the Cloud and Sky Arena are connected. I know this subject has caused a lot of controversy, and I probably will get a lot of hate for making a video on it. Some people say it's been confirmed to be the same place, others say it hasn't been confirmed, others say that it's confirmed to not be the same place, others say it's just a theory. I don't even know anymore. I might be wrong, but to my knowledge, nothing has been confirmed on it yet. Anyway, let's get started on stating the facts, since that's all I'm here to do. First of all, some people say that they can't be the same place since their architecture is very different. But you need to remember that the answer is set 5,750 years ago, and it is also a very stylized episode. Everything was simplified, including colors and designs. Adding to this, the Sky Arena is in ruins, so it's hard to tell what it originally looked like. Both the Cloud and Sky Arena have holes in them, pillars, and are floating in the sky. The Sky Arena has a portion of it that broke off, so it could have originally been the same size as the Cloud Arena. In Sworn to the Sword, Pearl states that the Sky Arena is where some of the first battles for Earth took place. The answer is set in an arena during the very early days of the rebellion, and there is a battle in this episode. Now let's look at the ground below both of the arenas. The mountains in the background are the same shape and covered in snow. But as I mentioned before, they do look ever so slightly different since the answer is set many years ago and is simplified. Stevonnie, Ruby and Sapphire all land in a meadow after they fall from the arena. And while they fall, you can see a bunch of parallels between them, including colors, backgrounds, and poses, along with the way they float to safety. The climate and plant life seem to match up. You might be wondering why they have different names if they're the same place. Well, the Cloud Arena could have been what Homeworld Gems called it, and the Crystal Gems called it the Sky Arena. Or maybe everyone used to know it as the Cloud Arena, but then it became ancient, so now it's the ancient Sky Arena. I mean, it wasn't ancient then. Garnet's been to the Sky Arena, and she doesn't seem to have a reaction to it being where she first formed. Well, it has been many years since she first formed, and she would have been there more than once. Another variation on this theory is that the two arenas are just sister locations of Blue Diamond's court. But yes, considering all the parallels, I do think these two are the same place. There are a few things that could potentially prove this theory wrong. But there is also an overwhelming amount of evidence that could prove it right. So for now, I'm just gonna go with it.